Hello everyone, this is Deirdre with Design and Launch, and I'm going to show you how to install your Chloe child theme with a one-click install. This will go for all the child themes sold by Design and Launch. So I'm in the back side of WordPress. There's no themes uploaded yet, so I'm going to walk you through the process. So under Appearance, we're going to go to Themes, Add New, and Upload Theme. Install now. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is install Chloe child theme. Upload theme, choose file. Okay, I'm going to install this now. And you want to click activate. And down here you'll see Chloe theme install, and you want to do the easy demo import. Import demo content. And there you go. Let's go check it out. So now you see you have a fresh install of Chloe, and it's all here for you to customize it. Have a great day.